Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove camera from lock screen in Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if at the end of this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on wallpaper and style. Then you see your current wallpaper. Then click on the lock screen since the camera appears on the lock screen. Now, to remove the camera on the lock screen, just go ahead, click on the camera button. Once it's selected, you should see all the applications you have on your Samsung A54 5G. Now, go ahead and select No App. Then you should see the camera button removed. Then go ahead and click on Done at the top right. Then you should see Changes Applied to lock screen. Now you can go back. Now, when next your screen is locked, then you should see the camera removed. So that's exactly how to remove camera from lock screen in Samsung A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.